Mary, Mary quite contrary. How does your garden grow? Silver bells and cockle shells. And pretty maids all in a row. There was an old woman, called Nothing at all, who rejoiced in a dwelling, exceedingly small. A man stretched his mouth to its utmost extent, and down at one gulp, house an old woman went. Ena, Dina, Dina, dus. Cattle, wheeler, wheeler, was. Spit, spot, must be done. Twiddlem, twaddlem, 21. O-U-T, spells out. What do they call you? Patchy doll. Where were you born? In the cow's horn. Where were you bred? In the cow's head. Where will you die? In the cow's eye. There was an old woman tossed up in a basket, 90 times as high as the moon. And where she was going, I couldn't but ask her. For in her hand she carried a broom. Old woman, old woman, old woman, quoth I. Whither, oh whither, oh whither so high? To sweep the cobwebs off the sky. Shall I go with you? I, by and by. The cuckoo's a fine bird. He sings as he flies. He brings us good tidings. He tells us no lies. He sucks little birds' eggs to make his voice clear. And when he sings cuckoo, the summer is near. Come, my dear children. Up is the sun. Birds are all singing. And morn has begun. Up from the bed, miss. Out on the lea. The horses are waiting. For you and for me. Rock-a-bye, baby, thy cradle is green. Father's a nobleman, mother's a queen. And Betty's a lady, and wears a gold ring. And Johnny's a drummer, and drums for the king. My little old man and I fell out. I'll tell you what 'twas all about. I had money and he had none. And that's the way the noise begun. Little Tommy Tittlemouse lived in a little house. He caught fishes in other men's ditches. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday, worse on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. This is the end of Solomon Grundy. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. If your daughters don't like 'em, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses, and all the king's men, cannot put Humpty Dumpty together again. An egg. The winds they did blow. The leaves they did wag. Along came a beggar boy, and put me in his bag. He took me up to London. A lady did me by. Put me in a silver cage, and hung me up on high, with apples by the fire, and nuts for to crack, besides a little feather bed, to rest my little back. There was a little greenhouse, and in the little greenhouse, there was a little brown house, and in the little brown house, there was a little yellow house, and in the little yellow house, there was a little white house, and in the little white house, there was a little heart, a walnut. Cry, baby, cry. Put your finger in your eye, and tell your mother it wasn't I. Willy Boy, Willy Boy. Where are you going? I will go with you, if I may. I am going to the meadows to see them mowing. I am going to see them make hay. A hill full, a hole full. Yet you cannot catch a bowl full. Missed. If ifs and ands were pots and pans, there would be no need for tinkers. I am a gold lock. I am a gold key. I am a silver lock. I am a silver key. I am a brass lock. I am a brass key. I am a lead lock. I am a lead key. I am a monk lock. I am a monk key.